For this problem, we're evaluating the limit of the difference quotient as h approaches 0. And we're given an f of x, and we're actually given what x equals. We will use this at the very end. Before we get started, I already have an f of x, but I need to find what f of x plus h is. So off to the side, I'm going to say, well, if it'll let me, I'm going to say f of something is 3 times the square root of something. And the something in this case is x plus h. Now, sometimes I need to simplify f of x plus h, but in this case, it doesn't really simplify. So now I'm good to go with f of x plus h because I have that right here. I'm ready to evaluate the limit. So the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h, so 3 square roots of x plus h, minus f of x, so 3 square roots of x, all over h. And in its current form, if I directly substitute, I get an indeterminate form. So I'm going to keep on going, and I need to multiply by the conjugate of that numerator. To get the limit as h approaches 0, I'm going to leave that denominator. I'm just going to kind of copy paste. Oops, I wasn't ready to close that parenthesis. And in the numerator, I'm going to use that difference of squares formula to take this back down to the form of, so if my a term is 3 square roots of x plus h, and I need to square my a term, that's going to be 9x plus h, minus if my b term is 3 square roots of x, and I square that, that's going to be 9x. So moving forward, I get, in the numerator, the 9x and 9x cancel. I'm left with 9h all over h times 3 square roots of x plus h plus 3 square roots of x. And the h's cancel. And now I'm ready to directly substitute and say 9 over 3 square roots of x plus 0 plus 3 square roots of x equals 9 over, so the square root of x plus 0 is just the square root of x, and so if I say the 3 square roots of x plus 3 square roots of x, that's going to be 6 square roots of x, which then simplifies down to 3 over 2 square roots of x. I'm not done, only because it gave me what x is equal to. So I can now say 3 over 2 square roots of 16 equals 3 over 2 times 4, which is equal to 3 over 8.